For this project, we'll create this sweet Mother's Day design. We'll combine manual digitizing with lettering and basic shapes while using a variety of Hatch tools. So we'll start with a standard shape to jumpstart our design. Basic shapes are so handy, especially when your design uses a symmetrical shape like this heart. Then we'll add some lettering, and we'll use the Any Shape baseline to help conform that lettering to our heart shape. Instead of using the O from my font, I've chosen to use the heart from the Webdings font. This is a TrueType font. So we'll use the Insert Character tool to insert our heart, and then we'll change it into an outline heart. The next step is to incorporate our lettering into our heart by using reshape. Then we'll digitize a small rosebud and incorporate that into our heart. And finally, we'll add a message to our heart, and I've used reshape to create dropped caps. So what all is included with this course? Well, you get 5 fully illustrated step-by-step lessons with videos, followed by a try-it lesson. We always recommend that you work through and duplicate the design on your own because you'll learn so much more that way. You'll get 1 floral image for your artwork, and you'll have 1 finished embroidery design. Where do you find this course? You can find this course and more in your all-access membership area of the Hatch Academy. To access the Hatch Academy, either go to the Hatch website at hatchembroidery.com or go to your home page in your Hatch Embroidery 3 software. If you aren't an all-access member, you can purchase or renew your membership at hatchembroidery.com.